How to disable YouTube Shorts. So if you want to remove your YouTube Shorts from your home feed on your YouTube, then what you need to do is first open up your YouTube application. Once you've opened your YouTube, now make sure that you have logged into your account. And once you've opened your YouTube, now if you scroll down, then here you may have the shorts option. So for now I have simply removed all of my shorts from my YouTube feed. So you can see I don't have any shorts on my YouTube feed. So if you want to do the same thing, what you need to do is you need to simply scroll down and you may get an option of YouTube Shorts. So if you have the option of YouTube Shorts, then what you need to do is you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon of the short, and then you will get a bunch of options. You need to simply tap on not interested, and once you've done all of the accounts as not interested, then and once you tap on not interested under all of your YouTube Shorts, then that's it. That's how you can disable your YouTube Shorts. And once you've done on, or once you've tapped on not interested, then you will not receive any one of the shorts. So you can see just here I don't have any shorts. So I've done the same process and hope it worked for you too. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.